Okay, here's the question. What is the great content creation insight going to be? Okay, what's that? The answer? Power words. If you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, there's a Google document in there with that title about great content creation with this expert insight. And it basically outlines 4 things that you can get with power words that you're not going to get anywhere else. You're going to captivate attention. That means people are going to see that. They're going to have something urge them to click on your content. It'll stir those emotions to drive them to action. And basically, it's going to enhance your SEO. The ones that search for solutions near me, okay, they're going to find you with that power word as part of the title. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.